Elaine Paula, Philippine National Team. Good morning. Nora Fandi Nurdina Savia from Malaysia, Hella Cycling Team. Give us a wave and a smile. Ishida Yui from TRK Works. Hey. Quinones Nicole from Asia Union TCS Racing Team. Costes Diana Marie from the Philippine team. And we have from Japan, Mori Yuki from Team DR War. Please give us a wave and a smile. These lady riders will be completing for UCI points. Gaano ba ka-importante ang UCI points? If a country or a nation is competing in World Series or World Cups or even Olympics, most importantly Olympics, you need a certain number of points to be able to qualify for the race. That is why riders are competing in UCI sanctioned races so that they can have points and be able to represent their country on the bigger cycling stages. So these ladies at the starting line here are from the categories elite. Makikita naman sa mga mukha nila na sila po ay elite riders. Our women riders will have 5 laps, 3.6 kilometers each with a total of 18 kilometers. At our second line here are our riders from the women junior category. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, Erin Dormitorio from Coach D Racing Team. We could still be waiting for the 2 other competitors for the women youth or else rekta champion na to si Madam. Okay, ladies, we are going to start gap, right? So, ladies and coaches, are you ready?
Ito na ang videos babaw, taklado.
All right. 2 minutes to start. Okay, ladies, remember this is a class 2 event and the top 10 riders will be getting the UCI points. One minute to start. Seconds. And ladies, you will start in the next 15 seconds.
Let the women youth XCO women category begin! And our pro and elite riders are off to the start. We have national riders
minutes.
Shane Yaoyao. Ishida Yui was the national champion for Japan, under 23 years old. So still very young ladies and very competitive. So we have national champions versus national champions. These are elite riders, pro athletes, seasoned riders fighting for the highest of UCI points and the highest of positions in today's race. XCO Cross Country Olympics as part of Asia Mountain Biking Series 2025 first leg here in the Philippines.
1 minute to start. 1 minute.
Nag-aantay naman po tayo ng start ng women's junior category. We are giving gap from the elite category.
30 seconds. Pagriting. 15 seconds.
And they are off. Women junior with one lady sprinting at the start. Those are riders number 140, Dormitorio Lexi, 141, Hernandez Crystal Marie, rider number 142, Munda Janine. Our women junior are 17 to 18 years old here at the Asia Mountain Biking Series 2025 Leg 1 Cross Country Olympics or XCO.
Abante, abante, hindi maisod, hindi magpahuway, agud mapuslan, mga kabudlay, pintados di pase, abante, abante.
The rider in black and white jersey is coming from Japan National Team TRK Works, Ishida Yui. She was last year's Japan National Champion under 23.
Kanugon dadlag option doon. Yo. Buhay pa dyan.
Currently clearly seen lead rider is from Japan, Ishida Yui, rider number 92 from TRK Works. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that last year's XCO champion Philippines was Shane Yaoyao. She is currently at the top 2 spot, and they're currently in their lap 2. Top 2 is Shane Yaoyao, and she is preceded by current top 1 from Japan, Ishida Yui, rider number 92. Followed by, I believe that is Nicole Quinones, rider number 94 from Asia Union TCS Racing Team. These lady riders have 5 laps spanning 18 kilometers because our track is 3.6 kilometers times 5 laps. That is a total of 18.
Oh, dito tanaya po na. Grabe pa pala ko ano ko. Ano doon na sa mga malagap diyan.
Currently at 3rd spot is rider number 94, Nicole Quinones, followed by the 4th spot, Sandias Adel Pia, 93. Both are coming from the Philippine national team, succeeded by Amori Yuki from Japan.
Okay.
And it looks like we will have a battle later on. They were almost wheel to wheel at the third and fourth spot.
Oh, malambot. Naulan lang ito na po. Lambot na yan.
Spotted rider number 96 from Japan. Ishida Yui from Japan just finished her first lap. Rider number 22 closely followed by rider number 90 Shay Yao from the Philippines. It is still too early to tell who will be placed at the top spot and who will grab the second spot. It is still too early to tell because they still have Yuki from Team DR War Japan. 4 laps to go.
Ah, buhay pagali.
This format rewards those who are smart with their pacing and can stay. Just finished her lap, rider number 140. Number 92, closely followed by Yao Yao Shane Paula, rider number 90 from the Philippines. Women Elite currently on their third lap. At second place.
Shout out din sa Pintura.
For the women youth, this is a few significant crashes, especially in the more technical stuff. Quinones and also at the middle of the track in the same position as they started earlier is Ishida Yui from Japan and Shin Yao from Philippine national team still maintaining their positions. Japan at number 1, Philippines at number 2, but I believe it will be a tight finish up to the last second.
5 laps na. Tainit na.
This is a grueling heat right now. As much as they want the sunshine to be gone and just clouds and
Shoutout kayo na mga panglabada. Love you ma. Shoutout kayo sa Team Ulin.
towards their world ranking. This is only not to the rolling and they to set to
Shoutout kami sa mga taga-Dingme dyan. Shoutout kay Terence nga Lonjong. Sige ko na mo. Shoutout.
Ashley, you take up the top spot at the women category in today's cross-country Olympics. We are yet to... spotted the earlier top 1 and 2 riders for the women elite category. That is quite a remarkable gap compared to their first national champion to take on this top spot in Philippine soil. We will see. Jonas, 2 laps to go. For you, rider number 95, Costas Diana Marie, currently at top 5. Currently the top 1 and champion for her category, Women Junior. Let's give it up from Coach D Racing Team. Palakpakan po para kay Alexandria Erin Dormitorio or Lexi Dormitorio. Rider number 140 from Coach D Racing Team. Ito po ay Women Junior Category. Country Olympics or XCO right here at Asia Mountain Bike Assistance.
Shout out sa mga grupo na wala ka upod. Dali na ka din.
Medic po, pakibilisan. To take on second place in women's junior category XCO. Congratulations, Crystal Marie Hernandez.
Pasuyo na lang po pag sa medic po.
Baka naman for Philippine National Rider, Shane Yao! Hydrate muna sa rider number 19 natin as she conquers her last lap for the women elite category of today's cross-country Olympics or XCO part of A. Currently at the top two is from women elite categories rider from Japan. On to her last lap, palakpakan natin, Ishida Yui, rider number 92.
Mabuhay pasi.
Currently at top three women elite rider is Philippine National Rider Zendrias Adelo Pia. Aapak sa podium at top. Herminio, Melissa Joshua, Birnanda
Gerard,
John
Gerard.
Michael,
Shout out sa Team Dreamers.
Gusto and Katipunan Noble. Names mentioned must be at the call-up box. Paki-report po sa race official natin. Let your presence be known and let them know